Hello guys, just thought I'd do a little video. We are currently at a place called Hardraw Scar. I think I might have documented it before. And this is the big waterfall. Let's go and have a look at it. So as we edge closer and closer to this magnificent waterfall, we can see that the size is actually immense. Those are the people. That's the waterfall. So here, I hope you can actually hear me, it's quite loud here. You can actually feel some of the water vapour coming off of the waterfall as it's so powerful. So here we go, So this has been here several hundreds of years now. It is quite immense. To think that this is so powerful, there must easily be thousands of gallons of water disputed down here every single day, and it flows down that river down there. So this is fantastic, and just look at the size of this thing. This is massive. So let's do a little slow-mo to show you. So here we have it, in all its glory. This is fantastic. It's quite slippery sediment round here though. So this is all, it just crumbles away, and that's what you end up getting down there. But if you look at the sheer size of the rock, you want to be careful up here, to be honest, because if you fall down there, you ain't getting back. What a magnificent place. So once again, if you want to come and see this place, this is the Hardraw Scar. I will put the name in the description, and this is the actual waterfall that's on the end of the main place. It's great, just come along, be careful, and don't fall off. See you soon. By the way guys, I've just found like a secret path. Well, I don't think it's really secret, but it's not one that many people would go up. That actually goes, we think, to the top of the waterfall. I'll just show you. So that's where we were, and this... What? Whoa! So you can look actually over the top of the waterfall. Whoa! So this is awesome. So if we make our way just to that bit there, we should be able to have a closer look. Just one sec. This is incredible. Whoa! Okay, I am not going any further. This is awesome, isn't it, Dad?
My God.
That honestly was absolutely incredible. That actually gave me chills because that was so high and you were looking right down. Not doing that again. But guys, this is a natural beauty. Go and check it out. It's called Hardraw Scar. Check the description and you'll be able to find it on Google or some other YouTube video or something. So check it out. See you later.